Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your host, Sarcastic Specialist. This is the Chaos Before the Contract playlist. In this corner of the ZDS multiverse, we answer Real Guard 101 questions with cinematic chaos, no recruiter sales pitch, and zero fluff. What you'll hear is the answer. What you'll see, that's the journey. Just you, me, and the info you're really looking for. So here is the question, what happens after basic? You crushed basic? Cool. Now welcome to AIT, Advanced Individual Training. This is where you learn your MOS, aka your real job. Think less yelling, more skills, still structure, still standards. But now you're expected to act like you know what time it is. You'll train on equipment, systems, missions, depending on your role. AIT can be a few weeks or a few months. Either way, it's the upgrade pack. You got through the tutorial. Now you're playing the game. Text your recruiter and ask them what comes next after graduation. AIT isn't just more training, it's your first look at Real Guard life. If that helped, there's a whole playlist full of answers just like it. Check out the rest of the channel: Guard questions, cinematic chaos, and zero recruiter sales pitch. Like, subscribe. Send it to your friend who's overthinking everything. Or just watch the next one. I'll be here, glitching in whenever the questions show up.